Houston, we have a problem. Our understanding of negative numbers is being severely limited by a medieval concept, the straight counting line to infinity, which we believe requires immediate updating. Like now would be fine, Houston? The burning question with negative numbers is our inability to demonstrate minus times minus is plus to a child. To highlight the problem, first look at the much easier demonstration that plus times plus is plus. Multiplication is repeated addition. For example, plus 2 times plus 3 is plus 6. First, we mark off a distance of plus 2. That's one lot of 2. That's two lots of 2. And that's 3 lots of 2. They all add up to 6. That demonstration is simple and clear-cut, as it should be. But things get into a real tangle when we try to demonstrate that minus by minus is plus. We begin by marking off negative 2. Unfortunately, this takes us further from our intended answer, which is over here. The next step is to take negative 3 lots of this. But what does that mean? Does it really make sense to take negative 3 lots of something? Remember how simple our demonstration was for plus times plus? We want this demonstration to be just as simple. Can we do it? In fact, we can't. Not on the straight counting line as envisioned here anyway. But perhaps we shouldn't be too surprised, because we can't get from A to B by moving in this direction using this map either. However, as we know, the world is round, and in fact we can get from A to B by moving in that direction simply by going around the world. Likewise, we can multiply negative numbers to arrive at positive answers by going around a circle. We can demonstrate minus by minus is plus in any number circle. First, pick a circle. Any circle will do. We will pick what in circle maths we call a 4 circle. A 4 circle is what we ordinarily mean by the word 4. It consists of 4 things picked out in our attention. These things are numbers. They are 0, 1, 2, and 3. There is no 4 in a 4 circle because 4 circle is itself what we mean by 4. Every circle has 2 directions. The positive direction, where numbers count up 1, 2, 3, that direction, and the negative direction, where numbers count down 3, 2, 1, so this direction. We're ready to do the demonstration. We will show that minus 1 times minus 1 is equal to plus 1 in a 4 circle. We'll do the demonstration in tiny circles to begin with, then we'll show how to extend it to the straight counting line to infinity. We want to show that minus 1 times minus 1 equals plus 1 in 4 circle. Our attention is first drawn to the -1, and in order to find it, we begin at 0 in the circle and move one place in the negative direction, which brings us to 3. So we'll write down that -1 is equal to 3 in that circle. We treat the other -1 in exactly the same way, beginning at 0, going in the negative direction one step, and again we come to 3. So both those numbers are equal to 3, and our sum has become 3 times 3 equals what in a 4 circle? To work that out, we have to take 3 lots of 3 by addition. So starting at 0 and moving in the positive direction, we count 1, 2, 3, and that's one lot. 1, 2, 3, and that's 2 lots of 3. 1, 2, 3, and there we are, we've done our third lot of 3, and that's what 3 threes are, and our answer is 1. And of course we can see that 1 is the same as +1 in that circle. So we've shown that -1 times -1 is equal to +1 in a 4 circle. In part 2 we'll expand this demonstration further so that it covers the case of the straight counting line to infinity.